Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Judith Musyoki and my channel is Jukam Vlogs. Kindly subscribe to my channel, like my videos and comment on my videos. I would like to hear from you what you have to say, and kindly share with your friends. I'm still new here and I'm looking for followers, so show some love towards me. And because we are still very early in January, we are going to talk about vision boards because people are making goals for the new year of this year. So I know most of you are asking me, Judith, what is a vision board? And I'm here to explain to you. A vision board is a combination or a collection of graphics, materials, written, pictures to represent someone's goals or ideas, at least to motivate or to give an inspiration in their life. And we have two types of vision boards. We have one virtually one, and the other one is a physical one. Virtually means you make it through your computer, and physically it's where you are going to get a service where you are going to display your materials. So I'm going to talk about the importance and the steps to follow when you are making one. And I have a few steps. The few steps I've written them down. So number one, I'm going to outline them. So number one, we have to look back or preview the previous goals you had. Number two, you have to write down. Number three, we have to plan. Number four, you have to get inspiration. Number five, you get a service or a board where you are going to display. Number six, it's the placement of your vision board. Where do you want to place your vision board? Then the other step is forecast. So let's go one by one. Number one, we have to look back or preview our previous goals, the goals that we had planned for the previous year. Are you planning to move with them in the next year, or are you deciding that you want to leave them? You don't want to go with them in the next year. That's a decision you have to make before you move forward in the way you are going to write down or you are going to plan everything. So the next step is step number two, that is writing. And I mean writing. Writing is you journal everything that you want, the goals you have for this year and the goals you went for last year that you had not fulfilled or achieved and you want to attain them in this year. You have to write everything so that you'll be clear on what you want for this year or for a certain duration of time. Then after writing down everything, we go to step number three, which is planning. Planning applies to if you want to, let's say you can say that I want a new car, I want to buy a new house, I want to get such amount of money within a such duration of time, I want to lose weight. You cannot achieve all these goals at once, so you have to have a plan. If I want to lose weight, let's say in the month of February to April, you want to attain certain goal. You cannot attain all goals at once, so you have to plan. If it's exercise, I'm going to take this time to exercise. If it's buying a house, which steps am I following and which are the saving or the how consistent am I in attaining such a. So you have to have, if you want to build a house, let's say for the whole year, you have to take the steps, or you say in the by the end of month of August, I want to attain a certain goal. So that's the planning. Then the other step is the inspiration. Where are you getting inspired, or what motivates you in creating this vision or in attaining these goals? So for let's say you want something to inspire you in your eating or in your learning, you have to get the materials, that's the inspiration material. And we have very good websites which you can follow that can help you in getting good results, like If you want to make a virtual one, we have Canvas and Pinterest, which are very good materials and pictures that can motivate you if you are losing weight or you want to build a house. You can go and get a good house, or somebody doing the exercise. You want to attain a certain figure, you can go and just get a good picture of somebody the weight you want. Then if you are doing a virtual one, we have magazines and newspapers where you can cut out pictures of something that you want to attain, aligning to your goal. If it's eating, you want to lose weight, you have to get good material like vegetables. If you want to go vegan, if you want to exercise, you can cut pictures of people doing exercise. If you want to obtain a car, you can go cut out pictures of cars from newspaper, magazine, anything that is inspiring you, and you want to put it in your vision board. Vision means something you can see. It's something you can see each and every day. Then we go to the other step, which is service or a board. Especially if you are doing a physical one, you need somewhere where you can place your materials. So that's another step that you can follow. Then the next step is, let me check because I've written them down. It's where you want to place your vision board, the placement of your vision board. Where do you want to place your vision board? Do you want to put it on a wall? Do you want to put it on your fridge? Do you want it to put on your mirrors in the bathroom? Or where do you want to? That's a decision you have to make when you are making a vision board. You have to know where you are going to place your vision, because you can't create a vision board then you just hide it. It will be of no benefit to your life, or it cannot motivate you in the steps you want to follow. So that's a very important idea or a step in achieving your goal. You cannot, even the Bible tells us, you cannot light a lamp and put it under the bed. You have to put it somewhere where you can see it every day. And this is something that can give you a direction in life, where you are heading. So you can't create a vision board and put it away somewhere you cannot see. Then the most important step, and the number one, which you have to follow, is focus. Focus. You can create a good vision board. You want to attain this and this and this, but you only have it inside your mind. But if you are not focused on what you want to attain, it will be of no use to you. So you have to see the consistent you are applying or to achieve your goals. What time are you waking? What resources are you applying to attain your goals? That's something that you should have. Focus is very important. And for focus, you have to have a little outlines. You have to have a very good intention of what you're going to achieve. You have to be very consistent with your time. You have to discipline. Discipline matters a lot. You have to discipline yourself, because if you want to attain something, you cannot just live all day and you accept that you expect that you are going to achieve your goals. So you have to be very consistent, disciplined, and always motivate yourself. Motivating yourself is by, if I achieve this goal, what am I going to benefit, or what am I going to, let's say you are gifting yourself, you say, after I have achieved this goal, I'm going to buy myself something like that. That's motivating yourself. So I hope and I believe that these steps will help you much in creating your vision board. And if this video is of importance to you, kindly share it with your friends, like it please, and kindly subscribe to my channel, guys. I really depend on you so much in this journey. And so remember that I love you, God loves you a lot. Keep tuned, because I have a lot for you. Bye bye.